Moking, yeah. Bird, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Mockingbird. Now everybody, have you heard? He's gonna buy me a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing, he's gonna guilty.
It ain't right. It ain't right, because...
No, son, it isn't.
I'm sorry, brother.
Well, how weird. She called him brother.
Is he alright?
He'll be alright. It was just too strong for him. I'm going to bed now. I'm very tired. If I don't wake up in the morning, don't call me.
I didn't think it was wise in the first place to let them...
This is their home. They were raised like this. They will have to learn how to cope with it.
Because over all people, I thought you were the last to turn bitter about this.
I'm not bitter about this. I'm just tired. I'm going to bed.
Atticus,
What, son?
how could they done this? How could they?
They've done it before. They did it tonight, and they will do it again. And when they do it, only child cry for it.
Atticus, what will happen with
It's not time to worry yet, son. There'll be an appeal. You can count on it. Gracious alive, Cal, what's all this?
Tom Robinson's daddy sent you along this tasteful breakfast.
Tell him I'm very happy. Bet they don't even have this at the White House. What's this?
Cookies. Still down the hotel sent them. You'd better step out and see what's in the kitchen, Mr. Finch. This was all in the front steps when I came here early this morning. They appreciate what you did, Mr. Finch. They aren't all overlapping themselves, are they?
Tell them I'm very grateful. Tell them not to do this ever again, Cal. Times are too hard.
Yes, Mr. Finch. Jill! Last night, all Miss Rachel said that if a man had tentacle feet had to bump his head against the stone, he'd hit his head. Said she'd been looking all night for me, wondering where I was. Said she'd have the sheriff after me, but he wasn't hearing. Did you have to stop going off without telling her? It just aggravated her. I told her till my face was blue where I was. But that woman is seeing too many things in the closet. But that woman drinks a lot. Every morning she drinks 2 glasses full. Clean her. Don't speak like that, Jill. Not becoming to her ties. It's cynical. I ain't spectacle to Mrs. Rachel's move. Telling the truth, it's not cynical, is it? The way you tell it, it is. Let's go.
Grown folks looking at you. It makes you feel you've done something. Damn Finch, come here! We'll go with you.
Did Atticus put you there too? Was it too hard to see a five billion? Did Scott understood everything? Wasn't too near to all those?
Hush, Stephanie, I haven't got on morning to pass here on the porch. John Finch, I was asking if you and your colleagues wanted to have some cake at home. Got up at 5, so you better say yes. Good morning, Stephanie. Excuse us.
Yummy, 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 I got love in my tummy and I feel like I'm loving you.
Don't fret, them. Things are never as sad as they seem. Look at us. Nothing has changed right now. I just wanted to tell you that your father is one of the people that were born to do our unpleasant job for us. Oh, well. Don't you well, mister? You're just too young to appreciate what I just said.
It's like being a caterpillar in a cocoon, that's what it is. I always thought that Macon folks were the best folks in the world. At least that's what it seemed like.
We're the safest folk. We're rare called on to be Christians. But when we have men like Atticus to go for us.
Hope the rest of the country thought of that.
You'll be surprised how many of us do.
Who? Just we now make something to help just remember just
So your friends want to sing. People like cats, people like head tape, people like Jack Taylor. Did it ever strike to you that Jack Taylor naming Atticus to defend the boy was an accident? That he might have reasons for naming him? Well, think about that, sir. Stop eating and start thinking. When I was waiting last night, waiting for you to come down the sidewalk, I was thinking, Atticus Finch won't win. He can't win. But he's the only person that can keep a jury so long in a case like this. It's a step. It's a baby step, but it's a step.
it's alright to talk like this, like that. There's no good judge or lawyer that can make up for unfair juries. As soon as I get grown,
That's something you have to take up with your father.
I'm gonna to be a clown when I grow up. Yes, sir, a clown. I don't know what to do with people except laugh at them. I'm going to join the circus and laugh my head off. Did you get it all backwards? Clowns are sad. It's forced to laugh at them. Well, I'll be a different kind of clown. I'll be standing in the ring and laugh at folks. Just look younger. They're like riding ghosties. And Rachel already young. Oh gosh, I was going to be angry not to see them.
Go to the backyard, see there's danger coming.
What's the matter?
Have you heard about it? The news is around all town. Today morning, Mr. Bob Ewell grabbed Mr. Finch, knocked him in the face, and told him he was going to get him, although it took the rest of his life.
I wonder if there's a life between right and wrong. I wonder which side I'm on, or if I'm strong enough.
Atticus over. Oh.
This is their home. They were raised like this and they will have to learn to cope with it. No, listo, o sea, no lo hago más. They done it before, they did it tonight, and they will, and they will do it, and they will do it again. And when they did it,
Dad, uy, ¿por qué dijiste?
what's this?
They are cookies.
Yes, sir, a clown. Just look the yonder. Oh gosh. Filma.
2, 1, action!
You have to go to the backyard. There's danger coming.
Chicas, ¿dónde está Mary?
Ella se arrebata, bata, 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 blan, blan, se arrebata, yo no sé lo que le pasa. Esa chica se alborota, bota, 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 voy, voy, se alborota, como que se vuelve loca. Oye, ella se arrebata, bata, bata, bata,
Once upon a time there was a big black man. He was accused of raping a white girl. He had a lying face, big disgrace. Poor Tom was taken to the jail. We will rock you there, rock you there.
And that's all, folks.